This Amazon prefabricated container house has 3 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, and a fully equipped kitchen with configurations available for 2-bedroom. It also offers other flexible solutions for a range of uses, from office spaces and workshops to homes, villas, or even a modern tiny house. With its great design and tough build, it stands as an affordable, portable, and customizable choice for living or working. This house measures 5,800 millimeters long, 6,580 millimeters wide, and 2,500 millimeters high, optimizing for a compact yet highly functional living space. Its main structure consists of sturdy, galvanized steel, ensuring longevity and robust support. The walls are constructed from 50 millimeters thick sandwich panels, providing excellent insulation and soundproofing for comfort in any climate. The roof also incorporates insulated sandwich panels, complemented by a decorative ceiling for a polished interior look. For flooring, a durable fiber cement board is used. Buyers can select from various door options, including steel, French, and glass, to match their style and security needs. All windows feature aluminum frames with tempered glass for both safety and a sleek appearance. The overall style is that of a modern, prefabricated container-inspired house, making it suitable for both urban and remote settings. The tiny prefab house is built with remarkable adaptability in mind, giving buyers full control to create a personalized space that meets their unique requirements. This includes layout adjustments, allowing for additional windows, specific room divisions, and specialized storage solutions. Buyers also have various design choices, selecting from a range of colors for wall panels, floors, and other finishes. For enhanced functionality, various add-ons can be included, such as custom shelving, partition walls, or multi-purpose storage solutions. Please check the link in the description for more info. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.